Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying another online marketing tool and don't want to waste your money on hype, empty promises, or recycled software, watch this first. In this review video, I'm breaking down the product and showing you exactly what's inside the dashboard. No fluff, no theory, just a real demo so you can see what this software actually does and whether it deserves your attention. A lot of tools sound good on the sales page, but once you log in, it's a different story. My job here is to cut through the marketing, expose what works, what doesn't, and who this product is really for. Before we dive in, check the link in the description right now. That link takes you to my full written review, where I break down real pricing and all the upgrades, any active discounts you won't see later, and a set of exclusive bonuses I've added to help you generate traffic, automate your workflow, and actually make money online. Now, let's stop talking and get straight into the demo so you can see the product in action.